Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Assistant on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, go into the settings. Now tap on the search bar, search up Assistant. Now go into General. Make sure that this switch is blue, so it means that Google Assistant is activated. And now to activate it, you just have to go to your you just have to pull from one of the bottom corners to the top, so just like this. Or to activate full X, you can hold the power button, just Assistant provided by INFINIX. Or you have buttons so that up the navigation of your device. All you have to do then is just to hold the home button. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.